Hello, hi, I'm your trainer Muhammad Sood Arif, and today in this video I will be sharing about the interfaces of Microsoft Project. So once you have installed Microsoft Project, you can see here I have inserted as a tab here. So you'll open it, and once you open it, you will find these options here. So if you have created any project, okay, so you can open it from here, go here and click this button, browse desktop, and there you have it. So you go to file, okay, and you go to the info and you see the information of that particular project. The project that I've opened is called as the project 3, and this is the start date, this is the finish date, this is the details other that you require, the project calendar. Then on the left hand side we have organize global template. If you click it, you will see there are several templates available for the views window, for the reports. If you want any, you can just copy it and it will be shifted to the right dialog box. And for the moment, you just close it. So in order to create a new project, you go to the new tab, click here, and either we can import a project or either we can create a blank project, as this is the window. So once we have created a project, we can also, if we have created a project in Excel, we can import it here too. Or if we have created a project in Word, we can also use in Microsoft Project, and I'll be sharing that later too. And then coming back to the screen, there is a save option. If you want to save it to the desktop, you can save it. Then there is called save as option. Same if you have to rename it or you have to uh, save to other option like desktop or any other folder, so that you can use this option. Then we have print options here, okay, and you can print it in the form of Adobe. You can convert this project in the form of PDF, and you can share with your colleagues, you can share with your management. Then there is a share option which you can email or share it with the uh, your colleagues. Then same is for the export. You can save the project file as, save as. There are multiple options available here as a project, Microsoft Project, PDF, XPS file, Excel. Then coming it on the lower pane, you can see option, and this we will be exploring in a greater detail, and I have a separate video for this. These are the options which we have to adjust for our project. So whatever project we are doing, we have to adjust the calendars, the scheduling. We have to do manual or automatic scheduling. Okay, the default start time, the default end time, the per day hour of productivity that resource will be doing. Okay, so the project week, should we start on Sunday or Monday? Okay, and then there are other options, and we'll be exploring it in a greater detail. So for now, we have explored the uh, initial interfaces, and just in the next video we'll be sharing greater details. Thank you.